Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable notifications for Dynasty Legends 2. So in order to do this, we'll need to press on the bottom right corner of our screen, it's this icon right here, and then move to the settings. Now find notifications, and here you'll be able to either disable them like that, and it will move you to your phone. In my case it might happen something different for you, but now let's disable show notifications like that, and we shouldn't receive any notifications anymore. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.